there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny. And who are you?
Millie.
That's right, that's Granny's Millie. Okay, what are we going to do?
I'm going to show this.
You're going to show your Coke off? Show your Coke off. Okay. She only gets to have Coke at Granny's house. Right? What else do you get to have at Granny's house?
Root beer.
Root beer. And what else?
Chocolate.
And what are we going to do today?
Make cookies.
No, we're not making cookies. What are we going to do down here?
Play with chickens.
We're going to play with the new chickens. Are you ready? All right, come on. Stick the water thing right there on the ground. Good job. Let's turn it this way so they can get to it easier. Okay? Now, oh, go get Granny a cup. Yeah, that one's fine. Let me show you something. Here, now take this cup and pour it right there on that plate.
Okay. That's a lot.
It is a lot. You're such a big girl. Now, do you want to hold one of them?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, I want to
Pick which one you want to hold.
Oh, she ran away!
She ran away.
Yeah. She ran away from it. She was like, ah!
You know what? I need to put the water on their thing. So you play with them,
Okay.
and I'll get their water. Granny's too old to be crawling around on the floor, Millie. All right, watch out. Watch out. What did he do? He ran away. You want me to catch him? Which one? Which one am I going to catch? The yellow one? I know that's your favorite color. Okay. You're going to have to sit in the chair. Right here. Right here.
Okay. I will, but I want to hold him like this.
You want to hold him like that, but you have to put your hand like this. Okay?
Okay.
Do it just like this. So I'm going to put him in your hand, okay? Now put your hand over his back. Just like that. Be easy. Don't squish him, okay? Isn't he nice? It's a she. It's a girl chickie.
Aw. That's pretty.
She is pretty.
You hold her now.
Okay, I'll hold her now.
Oh, whoa.
Do you want to hold the black one?
The black is so nice.
Oh, I like. Look at him. Look at him. They're having fun in there.
Is he so nice?
He is so nice, and he's small. She's smaller. No, she doesn't peck yet. Oh, she pecks at her food, but she's not going to peck you.
Think he likes me?
I think so. Her name is Gretchen.
Aw.
Aww.
Hi, Gretchen.
Oh, I love your blue fingernails.
Are you hold her?
You want me to hold her now? Okay, I got her.
Cute.
She is so cute. Here, you want to hold the red one now?
Yeah. It's the
Oh,
red
this
one.
one's feisty. She said, no, I don't want to. I want to eat. Look, see her pretty feathers?
She's like, wah.
Okay. Oh, put your hand over her back like that so she doesn't want to. There. See, now she feels safe. Hold on to her real quick, okay?
Okay.
I got to look for something. Oh.
Hi. Mom, Granny, I got a great idea. Let's make a video, play with the baby chickens and holding them.
That's what we're doing.
Okay, so.
Okay. Okay. I got to get the poops off of her butt. Because that's not good for chickens. Now, I'm sorry, baby chickie. Okay, now, are we ready to put the lid back on? We don't want them to get too cold,
Yeah.
because we have to put their light back on them. Okay, let's put the lid on.
There's holes in there.
I know, that's so they can breathe. And so the cats don't get in there and eat them.
Does cats eat chickies?
Cats will eat chickens. that's not good. So that's why we have this on top. So let me get their light, okay? Okay. Let's put the light right there in the middle. And now, beep, 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 beep. Granny has to sit down. Okay, you can come over here. Now, I'm going to turn the light off. Okay? All right. Woo! Now they can see. Now it's red. You know what the red light does?
What?
It keeps them warm. Oh, you want to give them some worms?
Yeah!
Okay, hand it here. I'll open it for you.
Are they alive?
No, honey, they're dead.
How?
I don't know how.
Did the guys make the worms and they killed them?
They put them in the oven and cook them a little bit.
And then they were dead?
Uh-huh. See, watch. Watch. Here, you want to put some in there? Awesome. Show Grady's friends what kind of worms they are. What kind of worms? They're mealworms. Put it way up there. See there? Hey, Millie's not afraid of mealworms. Okay, give them to the chickens. There you go. That's going to make them really happy because they love mealworms. Here. Okay.
What do you say?
You changed your mind and you wanted root beer, right? Yeah. So, did you have fun?
Uh-huh.
Do you think you like the new chickens?
Uh-huh.
What are we going to tell my friends? You make Granny giggle. Well, everybody, this was Millie's first visit with the new chickens. And she wanted to make a video with the chickens. So I said, okay, let's do that. Didn't I? Didn't I? You're so silly. Say bye to Granny's friends. Be a chicken. Bye. Have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you again real soon, all right?